In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a well-structured Confluence page. We'll walk through the complete flow, from opening the right place in Confluence to publishing a polished, organized page your team can use immediately. Think of this as a quick, practical guide you can follow along with in real time. First, open Confluence and head to the space where you want to write. A space is like a dedicated area for a team, project, or topic. Starting in the correct space helps keep your content organized and easy for others to find later. If your organization uses multiple spaces, double check the sidebar or space name so you're adding your work in the right home. Next, either click Create to start a fresh page or open an existing page if you're updating something that's already there. Creating a new page gives you a blank editor to work with. Opening an existing page lets you build on what's there without reinventing the wheel, which is perfect for ongoing documentation. Before you start writing, add a clear page title. Make it specific and descriptive so people instantly understand what the page covers. For example, include the project name, the topic, and perhaps a version or date if it matters. A great title saves time and improves searchability across your Confluence site. Now begin typing your content in the editor. Write in short, readable sentences and put the most important information near the top. Keep paragraphs focused on a single idea so readers can scan quickly. If you have definitions, decisions, or steps, group them logically to maintain a natural flow. Use headings, bullet points, tables, or images to organize the page so it's easy to navigate. Headings break content into sections that readers can skim. Bullet points are ideal for lists or concise takeaways. Tables help compare items or track statuses at a glance. Images and simple diagrams can clarify complex topics. Just add a short caption so the purpose is obvious. Before you publish, review the content carefully. Read it from top to bottom and check for clarity, consistent formatting, and typos. Make sure headings follow a logical order and that lists, tables, and images are aligned and labeled clearly. A quick pass now prevents confusion later. When everything looks good, click Publish to save the page. Your content will be available to anyone with access to that space, and you can always come back to edit and improve it as things evolve. That's it. Your Confluence page is live, organized, and ready to help your team.